Losing weight and building muscle at the same time is a process known as body recomposition, which involves intricate physiological changes and adaptations. Embarking on body recomposition sets your body on a fascinating journey of transformation. During resistance training, your muscles experience micro tears, which trigger protein synthesis to repair and grow stronger. At the same time, maintaining a slight calorie deficit prompts your body to utilize fat stores for energy. A higher protein intake supports muscle repair and growth while helping you stay full and satisfied. As you train consistently, your growing muscle mass increases your body's efficiency at burning fat, even when at rest. Hormonal shifts play a vital role in this process. Resistance training naturally boosts testosterone and growth hormone levels, which helps with building muscle and shedding fat. Your body effectively uses stored fat as energy for muscle development, particularly if you begin with a higher body fat percentage. You'll start noticing changes in your body composition even if the scale doesn't move much. Your muscles will become more defined, and you'll feel stronger and more energetic. This transformation is gradual, requiring patience and consistency. Over time, your body will adapt to this balance of burning fat and muscle building, resulting in a leaner, stronger, and more resilient physique.